Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about our data entry paid course for beginners. Yes, most of the people asking me and email me, lot of people, my audience, just try to get paid course. So, definitely, I have published some videos for the data entry, and they are loved too much for data entry tutorial. That's why I am making some extra and best tutorial for my audience, and I hope that you will get best output from my tutorial. So let's get started. Okay, today we want to discuss about web research and internet research. Okay, so normally this is very important, and if you want to get how can we find web research or internet research job, so definitely you can search from some marketplace like Fiverr and Upwork. So I want to jump there and I want to search data entry and web research. After that, you will see some gig from the Fiverr website. I think you have idea about the Fiverr website where you can start your journey like selling your service like data entry and other service. And if you have don't any if you don't have any idea, definitely I will make some videos, and I will make some videos how can we create a professional data entry profile here and how can we sell our service there. Okay, so here you will see lots of people selling web research and internet research service, and if I will open any gig from here, and definitely I will find lots of service and they are selling good, I think. Suppose I want to open this one and his basic package is 20, and basically he is delivering data entry, web research, contact list, lead generation, most of the work with mix, but he is selling web research and internet research service. Okay, so it's proven. If you want to sell your service on Fiverr or other marketplace, definitely you can do this. So let's jump on my main topic. Okay, so first of all, we want to know what is directory site and types of directory site. Okay, so okay, let's jump on our browser, and I want to write and I want to ask a question on Google, what is business directory sites. So normally the answer is a business directory is a simple listing of companies categorized in certain format like location or industry to make it efficient to sort or find specific business. I think you got the point, and if you want to learn more about what is business directory site, definitely you should search on Google and read some article, and after that I think I hope you got best idea about what is business directory site. Okay, so our next question is how to find business directory sites, okay, or type of, sorry for these types of directory sites, so business directory sites. So what kinds of or how many categories of business directory sites we want to check it out. Okay, so here is the question, type of business directory site. So just business restaurant directory and coupon directory, classified ad directory, yellow pages, and something like that. So normally when we will start our journey as a data entry expert, that's time just need some business directory or restaurant directory site. So it is very simple, and I am now explaining. I want to explain everything how to collect your data from the business directory site. Okay, so also I want to ask questions. Top 5 business directory business listing sites in USA, There is the results, and normally the first result is yellow pages and the ELF. I think you are watching this video from the USA or other countries, and when you want to sell your service on Fiverr or other marketplace, that time you will find some clients. They just suggest you, please collect me some business information from yellow page or ELF. Yes, they specify the name yellow page or ELF. If they not, you should try to find out more business directory and you should collect the information. So I want to go yellow page and ELF, so I want to jump there. Mainly two website like this, all the category and system are the same, but you will get some different type of business listing from here. So here you will get lots of business listing that's you need, and you can collect all data for your clients or your personal uses. Okay, so suppose we need some data from the USA, and the data will be a plumber service from the San Francisco or
is
from the United States. Okay, so we want to search from here and we want to see the result. Okay, so let's check it out. Job description is we need some plumber business details from the United States, and give me all the business name, email, website, and something like that. So how can we collect? Just a very easy and simple method. You just find some business directory website, their country, like. Okay, so after that you will just see the option. Here is the lot of information you will see, and I want to open some business and I want to check the business. Okay, so here it is. Suppose your client want the business name, your client want the website, Facebook page, and the email, also phone number. So how can we collect? It's very easy and simple. Just open an Excel sheet or Google sheet from your computer, then just start collecting the data. Okay, so first of all, I want to open the Excel sheet. Okay, suppose client want business category, business name, and website, email, phone number, and social link. So how can we collect? Simply we want to just write at first our business category. The business category is plumbing. I think you know, I have already said that. So we want to write here the business category name, the plumbing, and just click here and drag little below, and you will see all the section will fill up with the plumbing category. Okay, so now we want to start collect our data and the business name. So first of all, we want to collect our business name. So here it is. So this one, sometimes when you just copy and paste, it will be bigger, and I want to check how it look like. So I want to paste here. No, it's okay. So this is the business name, and we want to put here the business, we want to put here the website. So how can we find it? Here is the website. So we want to click here and it will be redirected for just a few within a few seconds. We just wait for it and hope that you will see this is the website, and user. And after that, just put the website name on your Excel sheet. I want to put here. Okay, that's fine. And I want to collect the email. So I want to go there. And here you will find the email, the very bottom, like footer section. You will find the email. So I want to copy here and I want to put on my Excel sheet. And also I want to copy the phone number, just like same. as before we have done. Okay, just copy from here. Okay, and just put the phone number here. Also, we have another section, it's called social link. Okay, how can we find the social link? Simply we will go our website and you will see here some social link. Maybe if not, you should search on Google, definitely you will find. Okay, find out the social media link, and please make sure the logo is same with the website. Okay, so yes, this business is same with Facebook page. Okay, so this is the actual business, and we want to collect the Facebook URL. That's all. I think this is very easy, but this is very effective tutorial. If you want to collect data from the business directory from any country, suppose you want to collect data from the UK, just search on Google top 5 business directory list in UK or somewhere you want, and then you will find some business directory website, and then go and search with your category as you want. I hope that this video is very helpful. If you think this video is very helpful, please subscribe the channel, and definitely I will make some video for you guys that will be very helpful for you. And this is data entry series, and I will complete this series within this month, and after that you can easily create your data entry profile on Fiverr marketplace and other marketplace, and you can start earning if you want. And please try hard, and I hope that you will get the success. Thank you so much, and take care. Bye.